In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Google account on Google AI Studio using a PC. We'll walk through the process from opening your browser to landing on the main dashboard so you can start exploring right away with confidence. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer and head to astudio.google.com. This is Google's official platform for creating and testing AI models and prompts, so make sure you're on the correct address. When the page loads, you should see a clean, modern interface. If the window looks zoomed or cramped, maximize it so everything is easy to find. Next, look to the top right corner and click the Get Started button. This takes you to the standard Google sign-in screen. If you're already signed in to a Google account in this browser, you may be redirected automatically, but if not, you'll see the familiar login prompts. Enter your Google email address and click Next. Take a moment to make sure you're using the account you want associated with AI Studio, especially if you manage multiple Google accounts for personal and work use. After that, type your password and click Next again. Be sure you're on a private, secure device when entering credentials and avoid sharing this information with anyone. Once your details are accepted, you'll be redirected back to Google AI Studio's main dashboard. This page confirms that you are signed in and ready to go. You'll notice a clean layout where key tools are easy to spot. From here, you can start exploring features like Gemini prompts, which let you experiment with inputs, refine outputs, and iterate on ideas. If it's your first time, take a moment to hover over the interface elements and read any on-screen hints, as they're designed to help you get comfortable quickly. If something doesn't load right away, give it a few seconds or refresh the page. A stable internet connection helps the dashboard and tools populate smoothly. And if your browser has strict extensions or blockers enabled, consider allowing the site so that all features display correctly. That's the full login process. Open your browser, go to aistudio.google.com, click Get Started, sign in with your Google email and password, and you'll land on the AI Studio dashboard, ready to explore tools like Gemini prompts. Keep this flow in mind the next time you need to sign in, and you'll be up and running in moments. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with Google AI Studio.